Jerome Powell ended up speaking today, and the news was bullish, right? Inflation is going down. The employment has gone to pre-COVID levels, but we have CPI data on Thursday and PPI data on Friday. It's going to be a very volatile week, and if you look at the daily time frame, it is extremely bearish. Webull ended up closing the day with a shooting star candle, which is one of the most bearish setups you could possibly have. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to show you what the Discord and myself, what trades we ended up taking today, as well as giving you guys the best setups to be trading at for tomorrow. Let's get into it. Before we get into today's video, guys, the Daily Sniper right now has a 7-day free trial happening right now. The link is in the bio. You could try us out risk-free. Sign up, guys. If you don't like it, it costs you absolutely nothing. This is the best Discord around, and we back it up by offering you 7 days to try out our Discord, and you will make your money back within 1 to 2 days for the month. Let's get into today's video. So, these are the trades we ended up taking today, and I'm going to be going over why I took them. I'm starting to keep these videos nice, short, and sweet, guys. So first things first, guys, from last night's video, we gapped up, right? I told you guys I wanted to get puts if we end up gapping up in the morning to the previous closing price. As soon as we opened up in the morning, first 5-minute candle, guys, I alerted puts, sold the move, right? I'm not hoping for a market crash. I'm not hoping and praying for a massive move. I'm buying where I'm supposed to be buying, and I'm selling the move at all times. We bounced. We came right back up. Dimitri and myself ended up getting puts and alerting puts live on live stream to the Discord once again. The last trade I ended up getting into, myself and Dimitri. You see this red line right here? I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to come up with this line. So what I'm on right now is a 30-minute time frame. All I did is I took the low of Friday and the low of yesterday, and I made an uptrend line. As soon as we came back down to this level, this is the reason why I ended up alerting and getting into calls at this level, because we bounce off this uptrend line once, twice. The third time is the reason why we ended up getting calls right here. It just so happened to be the 200 EMA as well in the 5-minute time frame, and that was it, guys. I made plenty of money today. I was extremely happy on how the day went, and I ended up leaving after that because you don't need to sit and trade all day. From my experience, the longer I sit on the computer, and the old days where I used to sit and trade all day, guys, you end up on a treadmill. You're going to win big, you're going to lose big, and you're going to end up net neutral or blow up your account. I have learned to trade the best setups at the best prices and leave for the day, and that's exactly what we did today. Now, what is the game plan for tomorrow? First things first, guys. All I'm going to do is I'm going to add the previous closing price. This is how I start my days. Listen closely, especially if you're a new trader. It's very, very easy to follow. SPY close at 555.82, okay? 555.82. I'm putting this level down right now. Oops, didn't work. Give me a second. There you go. Ready? I make it a dotted line, and I make it a little bit bigger, and I also make it red, right? So I know that this is a previous close. I'm leaving this gap here in red because SPY has not filled this gap yet. So now we have two gaps beneath of us right now. We have 555.82 and 555.28. These are the big gaps and the biggest key levels that I'm waiting to be trading tomorrow. We have an extremely bearish candle, but the way a shooting star candle works, if you click the daily time frame, it's allowed to come above the close of the candle, and it is still valid as long as we do not take the high of this candle out. 557.18 is what Webull is saying the high of the day for SPY was. If SPY breaks above that level, the shooting star candle is no longer in play. So I'm looking for a great entry. I'm looking for 556.50s to 557 approximately to be shorting, to be playing the macro candle, the macro daily bearish candle. That is when I'm going to be buying puts. If we end up gapping down tomorrow, which there is a possibility because SPY was very weak today, I'm going to be waiting for 555.28. If we end up opening beneath this level in the 554 level range, I'm going to be looking to buy calls at 555 to 554.64 and to 554.50. These are the two levels, or three levels. The reason why I'm giving you a bunch of levels, because I don't know where we're going to open, right? I will buy calls here if we gap down. I'm going to buy calls here if we gap down, and I'm going to double down here if we end up gapping down. My price target is going to be the gap. If we end up opening in a net neutral range, once we come back to 555.28, I'm going to be looking for calls for the gap close reversal. Every level I give you guys, if we gap up, come back down to it, we're going to hit calls. We gap down, come back up to it, we're hitting puts. But there is something called a gap and go. So even though I'm giving you my game plan, if we break 555.82, say we end up at 555, if we break above this level, and say I try shorts here, right? We come back down and hold this as support. This is going to rip to 556.50, the previous resistance of the day. You need to be watching the 5-minute time frame or whatever time frame you feel most confident with. You need to be watching for supports. When I mean support is the candle, there's a wick at that level, but the candle closes above it. And vice versa for a resistance. The candle whips above it but closes beneath of it. You have to be paying attention. So these are the levels I'm watching, guys. Every single day, Monday to Friday, I am now live streaming for the pre-market on YouTube. 9:15 Eastern time. 15 minutes before market open, I am going live. Make sure you guys are there. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel. 7-day free trial happening right now. We put our money where our mouth is at the Daily Sniper, the best options Discord around, guys. Link in the bio. Thank you for watching. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care.